I'm so upset. My channel get monetized from YouTube, so I don't earn anymore. So as you notice, I go live not every day because I'm busy of my some other work in other platforms. I didn't mention it. Michael Thompson, I like you new channel where in my Naomi's blog. I have also my channel. I post on my community. I have my other channel. So also please subscribe my new channel. Hello Michael Thompson. Hi, thank you for coming and I hope you subscribe my channel. So hi Shirami Tawari and Yushid Afsal. Hi. Maybe look. How do I look? Look. No. Thank you. Well, how about your blog? Is it okay now? Do you earn? Eko aheda. Ega ha. What's your channel name? My channel name is Naomi's Vlog. Just look on my community. I post my new channel there. And please also, I did on both channel. Oh, thank you, Michael Thompson. Michael Thompson is from where? You from? I have my friend also Thompson, which is his name is Benjamin Thompson. He's one of my members of my channel. But now all my features and my YouTube will get suspended because of demonetized. Eddie, USA. Benjamin Thompson is from Australia. I'll welcome norms. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so please guys, can you subscribe my other channel? Just I post it on my community. So thank you for my 98 viewers. Guys, I hope you also subscribe if you're new to my channel tonight. Ega. And perfect. I'm here in the floor because in Philippines now is so summer. So hello to Jose Ella Voncal. Hello. Thank you, Michael Thompson from US. Shout out and shut up, shout out and to I go up ahead of shout out. Hello to my 92 viewers. Hello, just comment so I can shout out. Very happy to see you. Thank you so much. Jose Ella Voncal. Thank you so much. I don't know, it's not clear my video. Like that. Thank you. And I hope you also share my life, and also important is to subscribe because guys, I need to get my 100k, but I plan on my birthday on May 4th I'll celebrate my 100k subscriber, but still we're still in 98. So I hope you guys help to grow my channel for 100k, going to 100k subscriber too. So I want to get my YouTube play. That's my dream as a YouTuber to reach the 100k subscriber. But sad to say, my channel is still now demonetized, not yet monetized. I will apply on June 24, 90 days to wait. But it's okay. I'll still enjoy. And then quit my channel. I will go for fighting for my channel. So I hope that YouTube will observe me that I'm still doing my effort to continue my vlogging here in my channel, Naomi Singumas Vlog. Hi, hello Cento 77. This is for also my avid viewers. Thank you so much. Hello, sweet mom. Hello, hi, shout out. And hello everyone. Hi Naomi, kumusta? Oo,